Have you ever wondered what the most beautiful places in Italy are? This country, with its rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty, offers a myriad of gems waiting to be discovered. Today, we're setting out on a journey to uncover the top 5 most stunning destinations that this Mediterranean paradise has to offer. Italy, a country that stretches from the snowy alpine peaks in the north to the sun-kissed beaches of the south, is renowned for its diverse landscapes. But it's not just natural beauty that sets this nation apart. Each region, each city, each tiny hamlet holds a piece of the country's vibrant history and culture. From the remnants of ancient civilizations to architectural marvels, from world-class museums to bustling markets, the cultural significance of these locations is as diverse as it is profound. But how do we choose only 5 out of countless beautiful locations? Our criteria are based on a mix of natural beauty, cultural significance, and visitor experiences. We consider not just the aesthetics, but also the stories these places tell, the feelings they evoke, and the memories they create. We look at the experiences of those who have set foot in these places, the awe they've felt, the joy they've shared. Our journey will take us from bustling cities where history and modernity blend seamlessly to tranquil countryside where time seems to stand still. We'll explore places that have inspired artists, poets, and dreamers, and destinations that have been the backdrop of epic tales and romantic stories. We'll immerse ourselves in the very essence of Italy, experiencing its soul through its most beautiful places. We're not just going to show you these places, we're going to make you feel them, understand them, and most importantly, fall in love with them. So buckle up as we set out on this journey, a journey that promises to be as beautiful, as enriching, and as unforgettable as Italy itself. Ready to embark on this Italian journey? Let's begin our countdown with number 5. Imagine a city where every corner whispers tales of art, culture, and history. Welcome to Florence, our number 5 pick. This city, lovingly cradled in the Tuscan hills, is a living, breathing testament to Italy's Renaissance era. Florence is a treasure trove of artistic grandeur. It's a place where art isn't just confined to galleries, but is a part of everyday life. Strolling along its cobbled streets is like stepping back in time, where every corner you turn unravels a new chapter in the city's rich tapestry of history. The city's heart beats in the Piazza del Duomo, home to the iconic Duomo, a stunning cathedral with an awe-inspiring dome that dominates the city skyline. This architectural marvel is a masterpiece of Renaissance engineering. Its sheer size and intricate marble patterns are a sight to behold, a testament to the city's artistic heritage. A stone's throw away, the Uffizi Gallery beckons. This world-renowned museum houses an unparalleled collection of Renaissance art, including works by the likes of Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli. Each room unfolds a new spectacle, a new journey into the artistic genius of the past. But Florence isn't just about art and architecture. It's also a city of delectable delights. From the local trattorias serving hearty Tuscan fare to the gelaterias offering a dizzying array of gelato flavors, the city's cuisine is as vibrant and diverse as its art. Florence's charm extends beyond its grand piazzas and galleries. The city's narrow, winding streets are an explorer's delight. These lanes, brimming with artisan shops, quaint cafes, and hidden courtyards, invite you to lose yourself in their enchanting maze. Florence is a city that beautifully blends the past and the present. Its grandeur is not just in its majestic buildings or its priceless art, but in the way it has preserved its heritage while embracing the new. It's a city that makes you fall in love with its every aspect, from its stunning sunsets over the Arno River to its vibrant street life. Florence, a city that beautifully blends the past and the present, but our journey doesn't end here. From the bustling city life to the tranquil waterfronts, Lake Como, our number 4, offers a serene escape. Imagine a haven nestled between the verdant foothills of the Italian Alps and the crystal-clear glacial waters. This is Lake Como, a picturesque paradise that has inspired poets and artists for centuries. With its pristine landscapes, It's no wonder this gem is often referred to as the Jewel of Italy. The lake's shoreline is dotted with opulent villas, each offering a unique glimpse into Italy's rich history and culture. These grand estates, once the summer homes of aristocrats, are now a testament to Italy's architectural prowess. From the neoclassic Villa Carlotta with its exquisite gardens to the majestic Villa del Balbianello, known for its panoramic views, each villa tells a story of its own. But Lake Como isn't just about grand villas. It's also home to several quaint towns that exude an old-world charm. Bellagio, often referred to as the Pearl of the Lake, is a labyrinth of narrow, cobbled streets lined with vibrant boutiques and charming cafes. Meanwhile, Varenna, with its pastel-colored houses and serene lakefront, offers a quieter, more tranquil experience. For the adventurous souls, Lake Como offers an array of water activities. Imagine sailing on the serene lake or kayaking along the shore with the snow-capped mountains as your backdrop. Or perhaps you'd prefer to bask in the sun on a private boat, sipping a glass of Prosecco as you take in the breathtaking scenery. And let's not forget the panoramic views from the surrounding mountains. A funicular ride up to Brunate, a small town perched above Como, offers a bird's-eye view of the lake and its surroundings. On a clear day, you can see as far as the Swiss Alps. Lake Como, where nature's beauty meets Italian elegance. But wait, there's more. Number 3 on our list is none other than the enchanting city of Venice. Venice, a city that defies the usual definition of a city. Instead of roads, Venice boasts a glistening network of canals snaking their way around the city's heart. These waterways, more than 150 in total, serve as the city's lifeblood, crisscrossing between pastel-colored palazzi and under stone bridges, providing a unique and dreamy landscape. And what's Venice without its iconic gondolas? These elegantly crafted vessels, each one a testament to the city's history and craftsmanship, glide gracefully along the canals. A gondola ride is more than just a form of transportation. It's a journey into the very soul of Venice, a reminder of a time when life moved to the rhythm of the oars in the water. Let's not forget Venice's historic sites that stand as silent witnesses to its grand past. St. Mark's Basilica, with its stunning mosaics and intricate architecture, is a testament to the city's wealth and power in the bygone eras. A stone's throw away, the Doge's Palace, once the seat of Venetian government, narrates tales of political intrigue and power struggles within its ornate halls. Venice is also a city of celebration. Its annual carnival transforms the city into a vibrant spectacle of masked balls, parades, and performances. The city comes alive with color, music, and laughter, offering a glimpse into its flamboyant spirit. And then there's the Venice Film Festival, an event that brings the glitterati of the film world to the city, adding a dash of contemporary glamour to its timeless charm. Venice, a city that floats on water and on dreams. A place where history, culture, and beauty blend seamlessly with the rhythm of the canals. It's a city that invites you to lose yourself in its narrow alleyways, to explore its hidden corners, and to soak in its captivating allure. Yet, our Italian journey continues. Our journey culminates with two of Italy's most iconic locations, the eternal city of Rome and the stunning Amalfi Coast. Rome, a city where history whispers from every corner, is not just a place, it's an experience. The Colosseum, this colossal amphitheater, stands as a testament to the grandeur of Roman architecture and the fascinating tales of gladiators. A stone's throw away, the Roman Forum paints a vivid picture of life in ancient Rome, with its ruins of government buildings, temples, and markets. But Rome isn't just about the past. The city is very much alive and vibrant. It's where antiquity mingles seamlessly with the hustle and bustle of a modern European capital. And then, within Rome, exists another world altogether, the Vatican. Home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, the Vatican's artistic and spiritual richness is unparalleled. Let's now journey southwards to the Amalfi Coast, where the mountains meet the sea in the most dramatic fashion. Imagine yourself driving along the winding cliff-top roads, with azure waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea to one side, and craggy limestone cliffs dotted with pastel-colored villages to the other. Each village along the coast, from Positano to Ravello, is a world unto itself, with its own traditions, flavors, and stories. The Amalfi Coast is where you can lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the hillside towns, savor the mouth-watering local cuisine, or simply sit back and soak in the breathtaking vistas. It's no wonder that this slice of paradise has been an inspiration to artists, writers, and dreamers for centuries. From Rome's timeless majesty to the Amalfi Coast's coastal allure, Italy truly has something for everyone. So, when are you planning your Italian getaway?